one day, bidnillahi ta'ala, Dr. Afia Siddique will walk free, inshallah ta'ala. And one day, all of those that we advocate for, if Allah does not free them in this life, then He'll free them from the prison of this dunya to a better way, just like He freed our brother Imam Jamil Amin rahimahullah ta'ala. But when Allah Azza wa Jal gives us these portions of victory, these portions where His help becomes so manifest and so beautiful, then فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ تَوَّابًا. We say subhanallah, we glorify Him, we seek forgiveness for our shortcomings along the way. SubhanAllah, Sister Liqa doesn't even know that a few nights ago when we had our fundraiser here, that one of the brothers dedicated a brick as we were fundraising brick by brick, one brick for her. So the masjid that's being built has a brick in her name, alhamdulillah. So she participated in our fundraiser a few days ago. I pray that bidnillahi ta'ala every single person that we advocate for walks free, and bidnillahi ta'ala that we can play a part of that. And I pray that Allah Azza wa Jal allow our community to constantly advocate for all of those that have been unjustly detained. Her crime, for those of you that don't know, was that she was the last Colombia protester that was thrown into a prison where she's lost over 100 of her own relatives in Gaza. And her crime was that she protested a genocide for her family. And for a whole year, her conditions, iftar, suhoor, Ramadan, forget about it. Having a seizure, ending up chained to a hospital bed where no one could find her for 3 days, waking up in chains in a hospital bed. This has been a nightmare for her. But wallahi, every single time I visited her, she said alhamdulillah. Every single time I visited her, she talked about her growth and what she read in the Quran and some of her reflections with the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And she was grateful to this community. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I want to invite Sister Liqa Kurdiya to address our community, her community for the first time, bidnillahi ta'ala. Takbir. Takbir. She also now knows the parking struggles of our community too. So we welcome her to our community, walhamdulillah.